Hello, kindergarten friends. So today we're going to be talking a little bit more about math. Yesterday, you learned a bit about Linus the minus and taking away and that symbol that we use for subtraction. Today, we're going to be talking about Ellie the equal because we're going to be writing full equations today. And when you have an equation, you always have Ellie the equal. So here's Ellie's little poem, just so we can get to know her a bit. So Ellie the equal is always to blame for making both sides of the equation the same. She loves to play fair and balance both sides, for this rule is important and she always abides. She's not always the last sign you'll see. She can show more than what the answer will be. Use her to add, subtract, or compare. Ellie the equal makes both sides fair. So that's what Ellie does. And we used Ellie when we were doing addition. And now we're going to use Ellie when we're doing subtraction. What you need today, boys and girls, is just a piece of paper and a pencil in front of you to show some of your math work. And I want to talk a little bit about this picture that I drew on the side over here. So yesterday, you focused on this area where we were using that Linus the minus sign here. Well, today, for takeaway, today we're going to talk about how is Ellie the equal. And I drew a picture up here, and then we're going to find our missing part. So first, I'm going to draw Ellie. This is what she looks like over the word is, because Ellie means is. And now I'm going to try to find what my missing part is. So we have 5, take away 3 is 2. And that's what my equation looks like. So we're going to do a couple of these problems together. So look up here. They actually write the problem or the equation with words. And we just need to write it with symbols down here so we can just start to remember what Linus the minus looks like and what Ellie the equal looks like. So first it says 8 take away 3 is 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross this out. So I'm crossing out 3 because we have 8 in all, and we're taking away 3. Now, all I want you to do today on your workspace for this problem and these few problems is to write the equation. So I'm going to show you what this equation looks like. And I just want you to practice writing what an equation looks like using the Linus the minus sign. So we have 8. Let's write 8. Then we're going to do our Linus the minus. I want you to do the same thing on your workspace. Take away. Then we're taking away, remember, 3 hats. And then is, Ellie the equals. We have to write our equal sign here. That means is. And then we have 5 left. I'm going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So this is what my equation looks like, and that's what your equation should look like on your workspace today. Let's try this one. So we have 4 in all. So 4 is the whole. And what's the part we're taking away? We're taking away 1. Cross it out. And now let's use our Linus the minus sign. You can write this equation on your workspace. So we're taking away 1. Now we have to remember is, Ellie the equal, tells us to do this. And now let's see how many are left. It is 3. Sometimes, boys and girls, the reason why this is important is because sometimes boys and girls forget to write symbols. And I want to show you what that looks like. I'm going to try to just show you down here and then I'll erase it. But if we forget our symbols for that equation, you see this equation up here? This is not an equation. That's actually just a number, a large number, 413. So when we forget our Linus the minus or our Ellie the equals, we end up with just a big number, and it isn't an equation at all. So we really want to make sure that we are using our symbols the right way so that people can understand our math thinking. Let's go to this last one. We're going to write one more equation together, and then we're going to try this challenge problem. So we have 6 in all, and then we're taking away. Remember, take away is Linus. Take away 4. I'm going to write 4 here. And then is Ellie the equal. Let's see how many we have left. 2 left. So boys and girls, I think on your math work today, I'm going to go to it right now. This is what you're going to be doing on your own. You're going to be doing the same thing. So you want to cross off, you want to write these equations and remember our Linus the minus and our Ellie the equal. But there's going to be one challenge problem at the end, and there's one challenge problem over here too. And I want to talk to you about it because it really just gets our math brains thinking a little bit differently. So here we go. Number 10. This is what it says. There are 7 baseball caps. Some are worn to the game. There are 4 left. How many caps were worn to the game? So that's a little different than what we usually see with our math work today. So let me try to start thinking about what this could look like. So if there's 7 baseball caps, I'm going to draw 7. 7 is my whole. So that's the big number. This problem is still looking for a missing part. I can tell right away. Oops, sorry about my last circle there. So here's 7. I'm checking to make sure I have 7. All right. Some are worn to the game. Some. I don't know what number some is. I have to look for the rest of the problem because I think this part of the problem where it says some are worn to the game, I think that's the missing part. So there are 4 left. So, okay, I'm going to circle the 4 that I know are left because I know basically that's the amount that we still have left. But then I got to see, oh, wow, okay. So some are worn to the game. These must be the ones that were worn to the game that are not there anymore. That's interesting. So there must have been 1, 2, 3 taken away, and then 4 are left. So there are a few ways to write this equation the right way. This is the way that I would do it. So I would start with my whole, and I'm going to take away 3. Then I'm going to use my equal sign to show how many are left. This is 4. The other way to write this equation and the other way to draw this equation would just be to switch around the parts. So if you decided to do 7, take away 4 is 3. And then just did it this way. That would be fine too. Both are fine. Both work for this. So on your math work today, your equation is a little tricky. And it says, some baseballs are in a bag. 3 are taken out. There are 6 baseballs left. So the reason why this one is hard is because the whole is missing. So we don't know what that is. So what I really want you to try with this one is to just try to draw a picture and figure this out the best you can. All right, boys and girls, good luck today with math. I think you're going to rock it. Don't forget to include your Linus the minus and your Ellie the equals. And we will talk again soon. Bye.